Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to walk you through how to create dependencies in Clickup. If you're managing projects with multiple tasks that need to happen in a specific order, dependencies are honestly one of the most useful features to learn. They help you stay organized, avoid mistakes, and keep your workflow moving smoothly. So, let's get started. First, open the size folder or list where your tasks are located. Dependencies work directly inside tasks, so it's important to be in the correct list before you begin. Once you're there, find the task you want to connect to another task and click on it. This opens the task details panel on the right side of your screen. Now, scroll through the task details and look for a section called Dependencies. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Click the three-dot menu inside the task and enable Dependencies from the settings. Once it's turned on, the Dependencies section will appear in the task panel. Next, click the option to add a dependency. ClickUp will ask you how the tasks are related. You can choose whether this task is waiting on another task to be completed or if another task is dependent on this one. Just start typing the name of the task you want to link, select it from the list, and the dependency is set instantly. After you add a dependency, ClickUp automatically understands the order of the tasks. This means one task shouldn't start until the other one is finished. It's really helpful for timelines, especially when you're working with teams or managing more complex projects where task order actually matters. There's also a really useful option called dependency warnings. You can enable this in ClickUp's settings. When it's turned on, ClickUp will warn you if someone tries to move, schedule, or complete a task before its dependency is done. That little warning alone can save you from a lot of confusion and mistakes, and that's pretty much it. Creating dependencies in ClickUp is simple, but it makes a huge difference in how clean and organized your projects feel. Once you start using them, managing task flow becomes way easier. So hope this guide helped, and thanks for watching.